the ride?
Hopefully I'm getting this. Avatar Flight of Passage is located in Pandora, the world of Avatar, at Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. This is one of the most exhilarating and impressive attractions Disney has ever built. Flight of Passage has been described as a combo of soaring and Star Tours. The height requirement is 44 inches. The actual ride lasts 5 minutes. It has 8 riders per row, 6 rows per theater, with 4 theaters, so 192 riders can be on the ride at one time.
If you should arrive at your vehicle and discover that something's gone wrong with it while you've been inside playing with the animals, such as your car will not start, you lock your keys in your car, Darth Vader himself came over from Hollywood Studios and moved your car for you? Not a problem, I can fix that. Just come back to the gray and yellow poles, flag down a white Disney Security SUV, or a cast member on the back of a tram like myself. We'd be more than happy to assist you. If you guys are looking to exit our parking lot today, please follow the big white paint arrows on the pavement. They will lead you down and around to our one and only exit.